Hello everyone, this is your card of the day. Check natin anong message or guidance para sa inyo. Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius energy. This is a breakthrough. Kaya kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, mahirap na situation, finally, malalagpasan mo na yan. Kung may matinding suliranin, makakahanap ng solution. Ang card na ito is an advice na kailangan mong mag-take ng action or mag-make ng decision tungkol dito sa sitwasyon na kakaharapin mo. This is truth, this is clarity. This is also a beginning of a new idea.